So anyway, we're all set up. We got a lot of cover. And man, we're just hoping to get something on camera. We're just trying to grow the channel. Hopefully something shows up. We're just trying to make something happen on the YouTube. So if you could just hit the like button when you watch this video. You'll only be watching it if something comes out, but hopefully if you can just hit the like, that'd be awesome. That's all I ask for. You ain't even gotta hit the subscribe button. We got this guy right here, photo bombing me. Taterman's in the house. He's ready to watch the show go down. And then Kip right here is he's behind the trigger today. So we got a little trio going on. And yeah, hopefully they show up. So that's the game plan. Got the old Muzzy son. That's how he gets down. But anyway, Tate, you good? He's good. So be sure to hit the like on this video. It helps me out. And we are in the Cohutta Mountains. The Cohutta Mountains is where we're at. So if y'all ever want to get a chance at a bear, this is a good place to come get them. There's lots of them. They're real hard to pattern. They just kind of come through and go as they please. But real hot today, so it may slow some of the movement down. Just to be honest with you though, we ain't noticed a big difference with them. Like if it gets hot, we still see them move. So that's what's going down. Sit back and enjoy the shit show. See, they funnel through right here. They come down the ridge, and what they're doing is there's a logging road right down through here that they walked in between these two valleys, or two ridges, sorry, in between these two ridges. So yeah, it should be good to go. Oh yeah, and I about failed to mention that last time he came down right through here, he came right off the ridge. So we'll see what happens. Okay, update. 6 o'clock. We've been here for a little over 2 hours. Nothing, no squirrel, no nothing, but hang in there. It ain't over till it's over, baby. Real hot. It probably ain't gonna move till later on. So we are in a bear area. A lot of bear in here. Just kind of one of them things you gotta be here when they come through. So hang in there. The tape man, he's still hanging on for Carolina. We got the tape still in the house. Yep, he's locked in right now. He is locked in, son. He's locked in. And James, if you're watching, we always know. Keep it shallow, baby. Deuces. I thought he was going to shoot before it got to this limb so it don't mess his shot up. If you look on his side, he can't shoot until it gets, he's right here. He can't shoot until it gets past the limb. So I clucked him over here. He was right here with his bow and couldn't shoot. So when I try to stop him, the moral of the story is, I guess don't ever try to stop your buddy's deer. Don't try to stop your buddy's bear.
Alright, we're all back in the truck. Got out of the woods. That one's on me. That one's on me. Kip didn't have it in the opening. So y'all probably wondering like why did Matt even do that? Well, he's got a limb there, and I was just trying to get him to stop where he could have an open shot. And from Kip's spot, yeah, here's Kip's point of view.
He was right behind that.
Yeah, he was behind that for him.
I needed him right here.
And I thought I was doing good just by doing that to kind of stop him in that open so Kip can line the shot up. Now, I know a lot of y'all are saying is, why do you got to stop it? Just let Kip do it. That's fine. I just thought I was helping out. And I'll be sure to do that. So, let this be a learning curve for y'all. Don't try to stop your buddy's animals. Whether it be deer, bear, squirrels,
Turkey.
Anything. Don't try to stop your buddy's animals. Even though you may think you're helping. Kip, are you really?
No, you're not.
You're not helping. So, that's going to be it. We'll put it on the YouTube. Hopefully y'all get a good laugh. I screwed that one up. Not real funny for me. I've already done the walk of shame. Now I'm doing the ride of shame. So, yeah. Next time, we'll catch you on there. Give this video a like. And, hey, don't stop your buddy's animals. It's not good. You're not helping. You're hurting.